G'day guys, you're back with Miracle Max. It's hay fever season yet again, so an all-important reason to change your cabin filter. The last thing you want is people looking at you sneezing and saying, "Oh, he's got the virus." So replacing the cabin filter in your customer's car is a positive move forward, isn't it? So behind me today we're looking at an ix35 Hyundai 2015 model with a GDI 2-litre engine in it. And I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin filter. So no major surprise here, it's hidden behind the glove box. The main thing we need to focus on are these big knob looking things off to the side. You just remove those, you turn them, what's that, anti-clockwise by the looks, you pop them out and then you can pull the glove box down. That's that side gone. And now this side. Oh, there we go. Nice. After you've lowered your glove box without losing all its contents, there's two little pins. Whoops, I've lost all the contents. Nice. There's two little pins as hinges, one there and one over there, that need to come out to access the back panel. And they're quite easy to remove, you just simply pull them out and that's your hinge pin gone. Same on the other side. With both of those gone, you can simply lower the glove box. Once the glove box is out the road, you simply have a little bo peep up here. You can see over this side that there's two little clippy things and you pull them together, I assume, and that little panel should come out. Nice. Simply grab a hold of your filter. Oh, goodness me. There's some little bugger lugs hidden in behind there. Let's just slide that fella out. Nice. Yep, time to replace it, I'm sure. The spare parts guys told me on this particular model that there are two different part numbers, so make sure you get the one that suits yours. This one here is a WACF0158. So that's the filter that we're looking for. And of course, as usual, keep in mind the direction of the airflow. That faces down in this case. As usual, not a sponsor, just to give you a heads up on the part number. For a Westfield cabin filter, the part number is WACF0158. Let's put the new one in. As mentioned, keep an eye out for that airflow. That fella faces down in this particular case, and you turn him sideways and you've got these nice little pulley flappy things that you can pull the filter in and out to make sure that it's located properly. Let's slide it into place. So fingers crossed it just goes into that little hole there like a DOS. And yes, I've got the airflow facing the correct direction. I can simply push that into place, making sure it goes in nice and evenly. We don't force it or damage it in any way. Our access panel goes in next. Just clip that tongue under there and it should clip into place over there. Nice clippage. Okay, glove box goes back in. And of course the hinge pins go in next with our glove box in place. So we slide our glove box in there and push our pin back into that hole to become the hinge pin. And of course over the other side our hinge pin goes back in. Slide him into place. Done. And of course don't forget those little anchor points that go in here with these little plugs. They only seem to go in one way, so make sure that they're anchored in properly. That's one. And of course don't forget number two. Turn it clockwise, job's done. Are we finished? Not quite. Hidden around the side here is a little lever that needs to get connected back on. That slows the release of the glove box so it doesn't drop down really quickly. Okay, so once we've done that, put all our goodies back in. The glove box is now shut. Cabin filter has been replaced. So there we go, that didn't take too long, replacing a cabin filter in an ix35 2015 model. Hopefully that should cut down on some of the allergies and sneezes that we're having during this particular season. I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, give it a like and feel free to comment down below. I've got to get back into the service and finish it off, so until next time guys, this is Miracle Max signing off. I will catch you